to my channel. In case you don't know, my name is Bella. I am the CEO of Bglowskincare Naturals and Organic. This channel we talk about skincare, we talk about skincare formulation, we talk about how to identify the right product not to use, and all of those good stuff that has to do with your skin. And if you want to be a skincare formulator, then definitely this is a channel for you. Okay, I have been working on this series, which is for beginners, for those who want to start skincare business, those who want to start formulating skincare products. I've started the series already. I've just dropped one in the description box below, where I talked about the equipment that you definitely will need when you want to start up a skincare business. So today we're going to be talking about the sanitization, how you can sanitize your products, your equipment while you start up your skincare business, which is very, very important. You need to keep your environment clean. You need to sanitize your equipment properly to ensure that they are safe, no harm. When you start producing your products, you can have a safe product for your client and also for your. So what I definitely do is my equipment, I ensure that they are properly clean. So I use rubbing alcohol to sanitize them, clean them off, and then use paper wipe to clean them. So basically for my baker, because you need to use the baker for your formulation, I normally used to boil them, like put a hot water and place the baker in the hot water and allow it to heat for, like, let's say 2 to 5 minutes for a while. With that, I'm very sure that my baker is properly cleansed. And as well, I can use my rubbing alcohol to spray on it and then seal it in my paper bag and ensure a nylon bag and ensure that they are safe, where I take them back to the store jar that I use to store my equipment. So it's very, very important that you keep your products, your equipment very clean. For instance, your hand mixer, the metal, you detach them properly. You can boil hot water and place them inside the hot water and allow them to heat for a while, which you can just put them out to air dry, or probably you pack them into your nylon, your paper bag, and then seal them and store them safely. You can also, even your emulsion blender, you can as well do the same thing to your emulsion blender. What you need to do, you detach them properly, wash them, and then put them in a hot water, allow them to boil for a while, and then you can package them and put them well. Another thing that you also need to take cognizant of is your hand glove. Ensure that you wear your hand glove while you are making any products, because it's very important. Sometimes our hands can be dirty, and so you need to get a clean hand glove that you wear while formulating your product. It is very, very important. Immediately you're done with your formulation, just ensure that you dispose them properly. And lastly, but not the least, don't forget to wear your bonnet or something to protect your hair from getting to your products. It's very, very important, so that your hair will not fall, or any of those stuff from your hair will not have any contact to do with your product or your formulation, which is something you need to look forward to. So yes, and I'm going to show you guys what I do, also how I package all my products. So what I normally do is, after I'm done with washing and rubbing alcohol and all of the boiling and the rest, I just package them here. You can see they're all sealed here, well packed, and anytime I want to use them, I just go back and just bring them out and use them to do whatever I want to do with them. So you can also get this, it's very cheap in the market. You can get them for yourself to serve as your store jar for you. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now.